absolutely loving these Wurth cabinets they have here for dispensing consumables. So all your industrial cleaners and lubricants and even your silicone kits and everything is here. All your tapes. And it's all on a vending machine with your own account card. We know who takes what for everything. Just a really nice system. Takes a lot of noise out of the system.
We've improved these machines as well. They didn't come with lights, which was really dark. You couldn't see what was inside them.
So you put your own
we
LEDs
added the
in
LED
there?
lights inside them. Yeah.
Nice job.
And then we have the ones down here as well for tools.
Uh-huh.
So again, there's nothing worse. You go to get a Communal tool and who has what. So they're all missing. You can see they're all missing now. But if I came here and I tapped on here, and I wanted to find out, I need that tool. Who has this? It'll tell me that Connor has that tool. So if I need it, I can go and ask him and get it. I'm not
That's
wandering around the
cool.
workshop.
Yeah, you know exactly. It's a proper booking in, booking out system.
Exactly, yeah.
Cool as.
Very good, yeah.